This collapsible silicone pot tray with a magnetic base is ideal for keeping small components and parts close to hand. It features an ABS collar and base to keep its shape, with the silicone sides enabling the tray to be folded away to a pocket-sized when not in use. It is suitable for use in the workshop and around the home and is ideal for automotive technicians, electricians, jewelers, modelers, hobbyists, and DIY. USAG 446C self-tightening wrenches for oil filters. An automatic adjustment of the filter diameter with a simple push possibility to be used for both tightening and untightening. ToolPRO Windscreen Remover. It's not surprising to learn that the windscreen on your vehicle is held in place tight with industrial-grade adhesive sealant. This ToolPRO windscreen remover tool slips behind the windscreen and allows you to easily cut this seal. The easy grip knurled blade handle on the tool is used to control the angle of the blade as it sits behind the windscreen. The pull handle is where you exert the force to cut the seal. With equal amounts of patience and care, the windscreen can be freed from the frame without damage. Brake fixing impact bit set from Laser Tools. This new set of impact quality drivers from Laser Tools is specifically designed for the fixings used in disc and drum brakes. The set of 5 drivers includes hex and Torx, which suit the most commonly used fixings used in these brake installations. These 40 mm deep drivers are 3/8 drives and are manufactured from chrome vanadium alloy steel for strength and black phosphate coated for corrosion resistance. Wizard SAE and metric bolt cleaners. The Wizard is a patent-pending bolt cleaning tool designed by master mechanic and industry veteran Gary Taylor. While the Wizard is a revolutionary product, the means by which it operates are surprisingly simple. A wire wheel of the highest quality is housed in a highly durable handle that is specially shaped to be handheld or clamped in a vise. The wheel of the highest quality protrudes into size-specific holes surrounding the wheel. When a bolt is turned through the Wizard with hand or power tools appropriate for the bolt, the wire wheel removes all grime, dirt, surface rust, and fouling. Are you looking for more confidence in your gas struts when working under the bonnet or in the boot? The ToolPRO Gas Strut Support Tool helps keep these from closing and potentially injuring you or damaging property. Manufactured from a durable aluminum body, this tool mitigates tool marks on the gas struts whilst keeping a firm grip. It features a locking nut to reduce the chance of loosening. Scratch Away Deep Scratch Removal. Scratch Away is a precision system that easily removes surface scratches from glass. The non-centric rotation does not cause wear circles, and the tiny layer of material on the glass is removed at once with the highest precision. This unique non-centric rotation provides a crystal clear result and no distortion. Scratch Away quickly and easily removes surface scratches from flat and slightly curved glass surfaces. It works without serum and almost without water, which keeps it all clean inside a vehicle. The specially developed head adjusts to the surface that needs to be treated. This method is unique due to its simplicity and consistent results. Scratch Away provides great advantages for numerous glass industries. For example, cars, trucks, manufacturers, and automotive glass services. USAG 236K Aluminum Insert Holder Chain Extension. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.